Llywelyn Jones, gweinyddwr yn y coleg am 4 blynedd ar 20. Bellach mae yna fflatiau ar gyfer myfyrwyr priod. O'r dechrau cyntaf, mae tre Aberystwyth wedi bod yn rhy fach i gynnal rhif y myfyrwyr, ac o ganlyniad felly mae hwn wedi bod i raddau yn goleg preswyl o'r blynyddoedd cyntaf. Mae yna gymaint o neuaddau preswyl nes ei bod yn bosib ymneilltuo hostelau Cymraeg ar gyfer myfyrwyr sydd yn dewis byw mewn awyrgylch hollol Gymraeg. Dyma neuadd Davies Brian, y neuadd Gymraeg ar gyfer y merched.
Fi'n hen blino cyrraedd lan y rhyw, mae'n gobeithio gewn ni hostel newydd Gymraeg cyn bo hir sy'n agosach i dre, wedyn fe llai o waith gyrraedd fyny da fi. Fe ti'n meddwl oes hostel Gymraeg? Ond mae'n rhaid i ni golau, achos mae GB yn rhy fach wrth fynnag yn dweud. Mae'n ceri yn peth. Mae'n rhaid lot o bobl. Ac ni'n enwi neuadd fawr, a nid neuadd gymysg go fawr yn credu, neu fath o gynolfan. Ie.
Maen nhw'n meddwl cynnig lle i bobl sy'n neud TT ag ymchwil yn ogystal â bobl flwyddyn gyntaf yn y
O, fydd rhaid ni.
Allan o lawr o plant i wedyn ni.
A gobeithio dda'n gwnewyllu ni goleg Cymraeg yn dod o'n de?
Ie, ond ni'n ffodus iawn yn y neuadd, mae fel mae ar hyn o bryd, ond mae neuadd
O, maen nhw'n meddwl troi rhai ystafell, seminar a phethau. Gael tutorials ar y wath na, dyn nhw?
Maen nhw'n cael rhai yn barod y gyfraith, allan y gyfraith, cael seminars.
Having come here from London, Peter, and spent 3 years here, how do you find Aberystwyth?
Well, it's completely different from London. Before I left London, I'd never lived in a small town, and there's a completely different sort of community spirit here. You know, everybody knows everybody else because the town's so small, and I like it much better than London.
Well, does everyone really know everyone, or are there divisions and, well, for instance, the Welsh and the English? I think with the exception of Gareth here, you're all from England. Do you find any severance between you and the Welsh students?
There is a certain amount. For example, the Welsh students tend to have their own societies and the pubs they go to. But we get along all right. We tend to mix fairly well. When I said that everybody knows everybody else here, I was exaggerating a bit, but you do find that being a small place, you get to know people far more easily than, say, if you were in a large university such as Manchester or Birmingham.
Yeah.
It's a small town atmosphere, which most of the time is fine, pleasant. Seaside atmosphere, that's nice as well, but
When you say it's limited, there are an awful lot of you as students and a tremendous range of different interests and backgrounds.
Yes, that's partly it. Always going out, even if you're only going to the local supermarket or something, and seeing a student, and you can pin down what year they're in, what subject they're doing, who they're going out with, what they have for breakfast, and God knows what.
Yeah, there are universities and places where you've got a city and the life of a city around. Do you find you have to do everything for yourselves, all your own entertainment?
Everything is college orientated. There's nothing outside the college except for 3 cinemas. They're okay, but that's it. It would be really nice just to go to the theatre sometimes, or just get into a big city, just for a change of atmosphere.
There are more and more halls of residence springing up, especially on the top of the hill on the new campus, and it's getting so that you just cannot you can't find your way around the place. I can see that in a few years' time it is going to become quite claustrophobic. I don't think the town will be able to take it.